The main difference is that instead of being simply gathered, data is immediately evaluated and reflected in the operative business processes. What's important in big data processing are the predictions. For instance, recommendations for action, but also recognizing risks and anomalies for everyone in the business process. Big data is the answer to the question of what can be accomplished with increasing amounts of data. One can enhance client loyalty because an important aspect of big data is the capability to recognize and minimize risks. Big data is revolutionizing information technology, the whole way of data processing. In the past, data was first gathered and evaluated much later. In the era of big data, it's not enough to evaluate the data and to say what happened yesterday. One wants to use the data to predict what is going to happen next, which is useful for everyone involved.
Einen unmittelbaren Nutzen davon haben. Die Digitalisierung schreitet voran. Mit dem Internet of Things
Digitalization is on the march. In the Internet of Things, there will be more and more end-user devices displaying information. That means a lot of data which has to be evaluated in real time. This, in turn, means that in a business process with new technologies, a financing request made to a bank is answered in real time and not a few weeks later.
Dass zum Beispiel eine Finanzierung als Anfrage bei einem Kreditinstitut eben mehr oder weniger eben auch in Realtime beantwortet wird und nicht Wochen später. Wir erarbeiten Lösungskizzen.
We work out solution approaches for the deployment of big data and plan a project in terms of schedule and budget in order to set up a big data ecology system in phases, a concept design phase and a solution phase. An important aspect of the process is that big data does not have to be planned and implemented as a large project. The idea is to gradually establish it in smaller steps in the company, identifying customized use cases.
Use Case für Use Case, Big Data im Unternehmen etabliert.